story called Catch a Ride on Raindrops. Where do you think this raindrop would go if you could take a ride on them? Well, maybe they would go from the clouds down to the floor, to the ground, and then where do you think the raindrop would go? Let's see. Splash in the puddles, jump in the rain, catch a ride on raindrops falling from sky. Let's see where this raindrop will go. Rain hits the ground and sips far below, down where the worms live, past where the termites dig. Snakes slide and ants creep down the rain sips. Oh, it goes down the ground. So it falls on the ground and then it goes down the ground, underground. Trickle between rocks, squeeze into cracks. Moisture moves out of sight, deep underground. See, those raindrops are now underground. Can you imagine if you were with them? Spring from earth, rush with the streams, race with the fishes far across the land. Warmed by the sun, up the water floats. Into skies far above, vapor turns to cloud. Thundering in the sky, they bulge and rumble and grow. Kaboom! So they were on the sky first, then they went down, they fell on the ground, then the raindrops went down the ground, underground, and they traveled all the way to the oceans, and then with the sun warming the water, the raindrops went back to the clouds until water burst in pouring rain down to the earth again. So it came back to the earth again as rain. So this was a story about how the water travels around the earth. Water travels far and takes many forms over the course of the water cycle. It comes to the earth as rain from the sky. It fills rivers and seeps into the ground to join the water table. The water table, like a river underground, emerges into open air in the form of springs and lakes. Water travels up into the sky as vapor when it's warmed by the sun and comes together as wispy clouds. When clouds grow dark and heavy with water, they open with pouring rain, bringing water back to earth once more. Did you like? Hope you have enjoyed our story and see you soon. Bye bye!